So with that, I think we're wrapping up now.
A couple of key takeaways that I'd like to leave you with. The first is that I think it's fair to say that claims will continue to rise as people become more aware of their rights and feel more comfortable coming forward. I think that's a two-pronged analysis. The first is, in this day and age of more information sharing through the internet, social media, there's so many different avenues. Podcasts, you're inundated with all sorts of information all the time, and I think it's spreading awareness for so many employees about their rights. And then this sort of the solidarity of the Me Too movement, and just again through social media, through going on websites which will be supportive of people bringing certain claims, people feel more empowered to come forward with claims. So the thought is these claims will continue to rise. Sexual harassment claims are in the EEOC's and MCD's respective agendas. That is borne out, I think, by the number of cases being filed and prosecuted by those agencies, and the awards and or settlements being recovered by those agencies. And again, I think it's reflective of the larger Me Too movement that has gained so much traction over the last couple of years.
Absolutely. And then some other takeaways too are, as we've mentioned, the cost of harassment and discrimination. Yes, there's a monetary cost, from the judgments and settlements we've seen, but it's also, there's more to it than just the monetary cost. There's also, it can destroy a company's morale and reputation. We've seen, a lot of big companies get taken down, or just completely lose all credibility in the marketplace because of, accusations of, and actually, of sexual harassment. And also, even if a company may not get a big public verdict or, settlement against them, the fact people talk, especially in today's day of social media, people are tweeting, people are talking a lot. So, if it starts getting rumors start going, or even, whether they're found, have merit or they're not, they're going around, if people do talk both internally and then externally, people may start buying products or using the company, boycotting companies, or people may, either leave, like employees may leave, or people may want to get apply. So there is a bigger, more than just the actual, this is how much legal costs we'll have in resolving this claim. There's a bigger picture to it. And that's why kind of, my final point is training is an investment. It's totally worth it. At the end of the day, as I just touched on briefly before, and Mark mentioned as well too, it's good for the employer. It helps everyone, understand, both the employee and management understand what the legal expectations are, what employees' rights are, and to help, really keep a good morale, good, productive work environment.
All right, so I think we actually made it within our allotted time,
Yes.
and even have about 90 seconds. So if anyone has any questions, please throw them out at us now. And if not, then I think one other takeaway is just simply that we will continue to, as employment attorneys, regardless of who you're representing, continue to watch developments in the law, because it is a constantly moving and evolving landscape, and I think that's what makes it so interesting to focus on. But it's anything but stagnant. It'll continue to change. So stay tuned, as they say.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Thank you all for
thank you.
your time.